Hello everyone, and in today's video we will be discussing how to use the Corpus Statistics tool in NLP Suite. The function of this tool is to get a general understanding of the basic statistics in your corpus, such as providing word counts, sentence length, and line lengths. So in order to navigate to this tool, we will need to go from the main menu at the Corpus Analysis Tools and click on Corpus Statistics. Click Run, and the GUI should pop up, which looks like this. So the first thing we need to do is select our input files directory. In here I have my corpus, which is 61 documents in total of inaugural addresses, and make sure you have chosen an output file directory as well. This is mine. So to use the Corpus Statistics tool, we'll be clicking on this checkbox right here, Compute Corpus Statistics, and be leaving this option as just the asterisk, which will provide us with lemmatized words, excluding the stop words, and computing the line lengths. We'll then just click Run. Started running Corpus Statistics and should be any minute now. So as you can see, a lot of different output files have popped up and they can be quite confusing, so I will try to explain them. So as you can see, the GUI provided 6 output files, and 3 of these are probably the most important, so I'll be discussing these. The first one, which I opened up as an Excel file, it's always best on Mac, especially to open up CSV files as Excel files, just so everything appears as it should. The first output file I'll be discussing is the inaugural addresses stats file. So what this does is provide the number of sentences per document, the number of words in each document, and the number of syllables in each document. And here it also provides the most common word or token in each document and the frequency of those most common words or tokens. As you can see here, it says the most common token was the comma and the period. Obviously those are not as important, but over here we are seeing some important words that pop up and how frequently they come up in the text. Next, I'll be showing a more simplified version of that same document. This document just provides the number of sentences in each document and the number of words in each document in your corpus. So if you're just looking for a more simplified overview, then this is a great CSV file for that. Lastly, we'll be looking at the group statistics, and this provides information about the line length for each document in your corpus. The count is the number of lines in each document. The mean is the number of words that is found in each document, and those 2 columns are probably the most important in this output file. The rest are a little bit less useful for just a basic overview, but yes, I hope this was helpful in understanding how to use the Corpus Statistics tool and how it can be useful for you and your corpus. Thanks.